Hi everyone! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Welcome. We're going to be doing a different video. As you can see, I'm currently suffering from a couple of, my time of the month, my little back knee scarring. And we will prevail from this. But I want to go ahead and see if I can cover this up. Going to be testing out the Jouer Essential, can you see that? The Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. It has chamomile extract, cucumber extract, hyaluronic acid, streptide complex. It's paraben free, oil free, and it's matte. And it is dermatology tested. Shake, 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 shake it. That's what the Jouer foundation looks like. I don't know if I got the right shade because I just picked it out online. But I picked up the shade Fawn. I think it may be a little light for me. Oh no! But I did get some of the informational packets on the foundation. For now, it's available in 17 shades. Can you see that? It's available in 17 shades. I picked up Fawn, which is a medium and neutral. I was also going to pick up Latte, which is a medium warm, but I picked up Fawn. So it says 100% of the users agree they achieve full coverage with one application. They agree that the foundation feels lightweight on their skin. 89% users agree that their skin looks flawless. You guys guessed it, I did also pick up the foundation brush. So you just remove it and it looks like so. So here is the little brush. Everyone kind of is making their own brushes. Jouer Lip Enhancer. Ooh. So I'm excited for that one because my lips are kind of dry right now. I already have my primer on, and if you guys want to know what it is the Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brand. This is in the shade Fawn. I'll cover all of it. Hopefully this is a good color for me. So I already kind of cleaned off the brush. Go ahead and use the little okay. Oh my freaking goodness. Are you serious right now? So it is a little light, kinda. So if I go back here, kinda it's supposed to match my body. I really don't like to match my neck because my neck is dark as fuck. Feels like a thin formula, like it's a thin formula. For the nose, want me to where the? Can you see my nose area? Like. Can you see my nose? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it covered it, but I still can see like my nose, like right here, like right on my nose, like right here. I can see my, and sometimes I get it because of a brush like this on my nose. So let me put some more on, but I'm gonna use it with my beauty blender. So I'm gonna use my Flower Beauty blender. Oh yeah. Over my entire face with the butt of the Flower Beauty blender. I like it. I like it a lot. Alrighty, so far so good. Next I'm just going to go ahead and use my concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm definitely gonna keep my eye out for the Makeup Revolution concealer. That's kind of the same kind of thing. I'm definitely not going to boycott Tarte Cosmetics. I just, once I see them improving, then I feel more confident in using everything because I have a lot of their stuff. But as of right now, we're just gonna skip on it for a little bit. But I do really love this concealer. It's one of my favorite concealers ever. And yeah, we're just gonna use this side of the sponge. I feel like it blended very well with the concealer and the foundation. I think actually my face looks super flawless, so we're gonna go ahead and put some powder, and we're gonna see how this looks like by the time I finish my makeup. And yeah, we'll see. I'll be right back. So here's what it looks like right now with nothing on, not even powder, just the concealer. So voila, we got the face done. And yeah, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see this face, but the Jouer foundation is very full coverage. Okay, very full coverage. I didn't do any concealer or anything on top of my under eye, the only thing that I did. So everything else looks really good. It's very mattifying, which I do gotta say that. It doesn't really make my smile lines extra emphasized, which I do really like that. And the other thing I would say is I need to wear it with another primer because on my nose, I don't know if you guys can see, but it just kind of looks a little too clustery. But it is full coverage. It's full coverage, y'all. It is a full ass coverage. Like it for the rest of the skin, I'm just gonna have to try it out for the rest of my nose. For the shades, so they have it in 17 shades. So I feel like they should and will be working on more shades to get a little bit more. Because I mean, 17 shades is still a small range, but it's a little bit more bigger, and they give a little bit more shades to my darker women and men. So yeah. First impression of this, I will probably be back later to give you an update on my skin and see if I still like it, because you know, it covered up my blemish real quick, but I still feel like I still see it somehow. So yeah, I'll probably be back later to give you guys an update on the skin and see if I still like it, if it's still mattifying. Remember that I did use a luminizer primer, but I'm pretty sure the sun got to my skin, so it just didn't give me anything really for it to grab on, because it's still pretty matte as hell. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update later, and yeah, I'll be right back. Hey guys, 9:56 p.m. and I'm about to take this off my face, and I'm about to shower because I'm dyeing my hair right now, as you can see. But I wanted to give you guys an update on my foundation, so I quickly just set this up again so you guys can see. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit more. So here is what this looks like so far. I try to zoom you in a little bit better. My skin looks so good. Don't mind right here because it's probably washed off, but that's what I'm like right here. Everything still looks pretty dang good. The only reason why it looks like this is because I just wear my glasses. But unfortunately, my smile lines took the best of the foundation. Also, you guys, I ate with this lipstick and I drank, and this is still here. I officially love Galactic lipstick. I feel like it still looks so good. I feel like it looks amazing. Skin, it just looks really nice. I like how plastic I look. I really don't have anything else to say, but I love this foundation, you guys. I really do like it. I think it's a great foundation for people who want to have that photoshopped skin effect. Sorry that I look like a mess. But yeah, I really am a fan of this foundation. I think it's a great foundation to have. Got it on sale for $30, so it wasn't really like a big investment for this foundation. The only thing is that it's very small. Like, it's my earlobe small, or it's a little bit bigger, but less than 1 ounce. It's 0.68 fluid ounces, and yeah, I don't know, you guys, it's really good. So you don't need a lot of coverage or a lot of pumps for a full coverage outlook for the foundation, but it's up to you. I think it's a great foundation. I like the way that it looks. It feels on your skin like it's nice and flat, and it's stuck onto your skin. Like, it doesn't feel like you're wearing a foundation, if you can sense what I'm saying. But yeah, this gives my approval. I really like this. I need to change and take it off because I am tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like any more videos like this, leave it down below. Let me know what you guys want me to review next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!